Why is the opera cake so hard to make? If you ask any pâtissier out there, they will all tell you that the opera cake is one of the most difficult cakes to make in the world. It can take 3 hours. But why? To make an opera cake, you need to make a few things. Number 1, the Joconde sponge. Beat together almond flour, sugar, and eggs until they're fluffy. Add in some flour, then gently fold it together. Spread it on a baking sheet. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 to 10 minutes, basically until it's golden brown. Now number 2, you need the coffee syrup. While your Joconde sponge is cooling, boil together sugar, water, and instant coffee until the sugar completely dissolves. Then number 3, you need to make the coffee buttercream. Whisk egg yolks and hot sugar syrup until it's cool and thick. Then beat in soft butter and coffee powder. Finally, number 4, here comes the chocolate ganache. Heat cream, pour it over chopped chocolate, and stir until it's super smooth. Now comes the hard part. You need to delicately put each of those components on top of each other one by one to get the iconic opera cake. Soak the sponge with coffee syrup, add a layer of buttercream, then another sponge, then a layer of chocolate ganache. Repeat over and over again until you've run out of sponge. Cover the whole thing with a final layer of ganache. Dust the top with a bit of cocoa powder. And if you're feeling fancy, melt some chocolate and write opera on top. Et voila! A stunning opera cake. You know what's quicker than making an opera cake? Flying to France and buying one.